afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 50. In this question, the same instruction is also applicable, looking out for the option that has the construct of the word in capital letter in the given sentence. The given sentence here says, a mathematics teacher has been transferred. A mathematics teacher has been transferred, the one we call our. So, and the capitalized word here is are. Are is a pronoun. Take note of that. It is a pronoun in its plural form. Plural form. It is a pronoun in its plural form. So option A says, as their mathematics teacher been transferred. Option B says, as a physics teacher been transferred. No, we are not talking of physics teacher. Option C says, as a mathematics teacher being promoted. No, we are not talking of promotion. Option D says, as a mathematics supervisor being transferred. No, we are not talking of supervisor, we are talking of mathematics teacher. So now let's go back to option A, as their mathematics teacher being transferred. As their, so if you find out that the way there is a pronoun too, is also a pronoun, and also in its plural form. So you find out that there's a relationship between there and are. Therefore, option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.